Ever wondered what makes math so powerful? It's all because of numbers. Numbers are like the superheroes of math. They help us count, measure, and understand everything around us. Thousands of years ago, people used sticks and marks to count things. Imagine simple tally marks on a blue sheet, growing as people counted their belongings. Later, Romans used symbols like I, V, and X, but they had no zero. This was a big step in how we wrote numbers. Then, in ancient India, mathematicians created the decimal system, with digits 0 to 9, the same system we use today. This was a true breakthrough. Numbers come in many forms, some are even, some are odd, some can be divided easily, others can't. Each type has its own special role. We have whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, real numbers, rational, irrational, and even complex numbers that go beyond the real world. Numbers aren't just for math books. They're everywhere. They help us count money, like the coins in your piggy bank. They help us tell time, making sure we're on schedule for all our fun activities. Numbers help us score goals in our favorite sports, keeping track of who's winning. They're essential when we bake cakes, ensuring we use just the right amount of ingredients. And even plan our day, from morning routines to evening stories. Understanding numbers makes problem solving easier and boosts confidence in everything you do. At BrightCHAMPS, we make learning numbers fun and exciting. Our classes are designed to spark curiosity and build strong foundations. Join a free live demo class today and explore how numbers can shape your child's future, one fun class at a time.